Today, we're going to learn about an amphibian called a poison dart frog. On your screen, you'll see that this nonfiction book has a table of contents like the other books we've read. Not all nonfiction books, though, will have a table of contents. This table of contents says Life in the Rainforest, page 4, Poison Skin, page 10, Catching Bugs, page 18, Glossary, page 22, and something new is it says to learn more, page 23, and the index, page 24, and we'll talk about those when we get to the end of this book. The heading, the title on this page says Life in the Rainforest. Now, this book is going to have a lot of bolded words, darker words, and we're going to be going to the glossary as we're reading this book because a lot of these words may be new to you. And if there's a word that you don't know what it means, it's really important that you go to the glossary if you can to see what that word means. Because if you don't know what that word means, then it may make it really hard for you to understand what you're reading. So, life in the rainforest. The red frog is a strawberry poison dart frog. Poison dart frogs are the jewels of the rainforest. These amphibians have adapted to live mostly in the forests of Central and South America. So the map shows you where they live. And it shows you that if you look in the yellow part on the map, that's where the poison dart frog can live. So if we don't know what adapted means, it's bolded, it's darker than the other words. So I'm going to go to the glossary because readers go to the glossary when they don't know what a word means. It says adapted means that it's changed over a long period of time. So the poison dart frog has changed, and that's what allows it to live where it lives now. Poison dart frogs come in many colors. They stand out in their colorful biome. Oh, I don't know what biome means, and it's bolded, it's darker than the other words. So I'm going to the glossary so I can understand that word, what that word means. Biome, a large area with certain plants, animals, and weather. So it's an area where it can live that has very specific plants and animals and weather. So they stand out in where they live. Their bright skin warns predators to stay away. So this is the golden dart frog. These little frogs live near tropical streams and ponds. So tropical is bolded. If you don't know what tropical means, you could go to the back to the glossary. Some crawl on rocks. This is a green and black dart frog. This frog looks like mint chocolate chip ice cream to me. Now, the next page says special adaptations. This blue frog, it says that it has brightly colored skin, it has sticky feet, and a sticky tongue. So let's learn about their adaptations. Others stay in the forest canopy. Ooh, look at that word canopy. It says others stay in the forest canopy. I don't know what canopy means. So I'm going to go to the glossary and look for canopy. Canopy, the uppermost level of the rainforest. So a rainforest has many levels. Animals live on different levels. And so these dart frogs live on the very, very top of a huge rainforest. So it says others stay in the forest canopy. Sticky feet help them climb. Now on this page, the title says poison skin. So let's learn about that. Poison dart frogs can be deadly. Their skin releases poison when the frogs are in danger. A predator that tastes it will soon be sorry. So that's what they can do to try to stay alive, is that animals learn that if they try to eat them, they don't taste good and they'll be sorry for trying to eat them. So this frog is a mimic poison frog, and the other frog on the purple flower is a yellow banded poison dart frog. The rainforest gets loud, but poison dart frogs can hear each other through the noise. This is a blessed dart frog. They croak loudly to communicate, which means how they talk. This helps them find mates. This frog is a three-striped poison dart frog, and it's croaking. Look how it looks when it croaks, and it makes a noise. Rainforest predators are everywhere. Poison dart frogs must keep eggs and tadpoles safe. So there's a word tadpole. We didn't know what it means, but look, there's a picture of the tadpole. So a frog starts out as an egg, and then it develops into a tadpole, and then from the tadpole it starts getting its tail, its legs, and it becomes a frog. And then this is a sky blue poison dart frog. Parents carry young on their back, and you can see that in this picture, to keep them away from danger. The rainforest is a wet place. When thirsty, poison dart frogs can go almost anywhere. They drink water through their skin. This is a strawberry poison dart frog stats. So it says, this is from least concern. So it goes from green, these colors, says least concern, near threatened, they're vulnerable, they're endangered, critically endangered, extinct in the wild, and extinct. So it says they can live up to 17 years. Catching bugs. Diet is important for these colorful frogs. They eat beetles and other insects. So it says a harlequin poison dart frog. These bugs make the frogs poisonous. So poison dart frogs can eat orange spotted roaches, leafcutter ants, and conehead termites. Poison dart frogs have long, sticky tongues. They can quickly snatch passing bugs. So remember, they have sticky feet to help them climb, and a sticky tongue, because look how they have to stick that tongue far out to get that bug. And it also said that what they eat makes them poisonous. These tiny frogs seem harmless, but they mean big trouble. And that's the end of the book. Now, in the table of contents, it said to learn more. So it says at the library. It shows 3 books that you can check out if you want to go to the library and learn more about them. Or on the computer, it shows you 3 websites you can go to if you want to learn more about them. And index are words, important words that were in this book. So for example, if you want to learn about their diet, it tells you go to page 18 and 19. If you want to learn about eggs, go to page 14. So this was a really great book and teaching us all about dart frogs and how they're poisonous and how whenever predators want to eat them, they don't taste well. And that's how predators can learn that they shouldn't necessarily eat these frogs because they won't taste very well because of their skin. So I hope you enjoyed this book today, and tomorrow we'll have a different book that we'll be reading about amphibians.